Hello everybody, welcome to Veg Cook House, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of the Chana Dal Seekh Kebabs, a vegan version of the ever popular Seekh Kebabs that are packed with flavor. To begin, take 1 cup Chana Dal or split chickpea. Boil until soft, but it should retain the bite. If you are using a pressure cooker, give it about 3 whistles. Drain the dal and allow it to stand for a few minutes until cooled. In a large bowl, mix together the dal, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder jeera, 1 tablespoon coriander powder dhania, 1 teaspoon amchur or dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 Maggi veg super seasoning, optional, 1/4 cup chopped green coriander leaves, 1/4 cup chopped mint leaves, 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies, and 3/4 cup fresh breadcrumbs made from 2 slices of bread. Mix well, check the salt and add more if required. Crush the dal, but make sure it doesn't turn into a paste. It should be a firm dough-like consistency. Depending on the size of the kebabs, using a skewer, shape the mixture into Seekh Kebabs. Heat oil for deep frying. Add the kebabs in batches on high heat. Reduce the heat to medium and fry the kebabs until golden brown. Do not handle them too much before they color or they might disintegrate. The Chana Dal Seekh Kebabs are ready to serve. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top. Serve hot with pickled onions, lemon slices, and chutneys of your choice. For more such recipes, follow me at Veg Cook House and be sure to like, share and subscribe.